The Fong video is a HURCO VM-1, new 2004. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for you today.
All right, we're just going to go ahead and jog the axis around, show how that works. We'll set for E's or for X right now. Back and forth. Go to Y. We'll do our Z axis. We'll go ahead and do tool changes. I'll do it one more time. I'll go ahead and do a spindle test. All right, we've got it set for 2,000 RPM. We'll start to step it up. It's 2,500. That's 3,000 RPM. 4,000 RPM. That's 5,000. 6,000. 7. And that's 8,000 RPM, the maximum RPM for this machine.
Again, the Fong video is a HURCO VM-1, new 2004.